I'll be showing you step by step how to add a YouTube video to your Shopify Sense theme. We're going how to add it to the homepage and how you can add it to the product page. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. So let's do the homepage first, and let's start from the Shopify dashboard. We want to go and access our theme customization. So what we'll do is we'll go to the left-hand side menu, click on Online Store, and our theme section should open up automatically. As we can see here, I have refresh enabled and it's version 11.0.0. And it should work for just about any version of this theme. Next, you want to go to the customize button. It should be a black button in the center of the page. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom of this page. And what we want to add here is something called custom liquid. And we can do so by going to the left-hand side menu. You can see my slideshow, my featured collection, and if I click add section, I can then search for what we're looking for. So I'm going to type in custom, and I can see it show up as custom liquid. It's going to be displayed here on the bottom, and then on the right hand side, I can see where I can add my custom liquid code. And this is where we're going to add our YouTube embed in. Now to go and grab this embed code from the YouTube video we're looking to add in, you simply want to navigate to the exact video you're looking for. You want to scroll to the bottom, and there should be a section that says share. Should be a button next to the like and dislike button, and if we click on that, it's going to open up several different share options. What we want to pay attention to is the embed button. So if you click on the embed button, we can now see the code on the right hand side, our video on the left hand side. We can also see different options for player controls and enable privacy enhanced mode. I'm just going to leave these all the same here. I'm going to click on this embed code. I'm going to press Control C or Command C on a Mac, and this will copy the code. So we'll navigate back to our Shopify store and our theme section now. And I want to take that code and I want to paste it in this liquid code text box. So I'm going to press Control V or Command V. I'm going to exit it, and then I can see it is now displayed here and is embedded on my homepage. I'm going to zoom in as there's one other thing I want to do, and that's to center the video on my page. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the liquid code a little clearer. So what I'm going to do is create some space at the top. I'm going to write a bit of code here. I'll describe it as I go, and you can zoom in and pause this video to copy it exactly to your code as well. So it's going to be right arrow, div, right arrow, left arrow, slash, div, right arrow. And next to the first div here, I'm going to press space, align equals quotation mark, center, quotation mark. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this second div and I'm going to paste it below my iframe. So if we go over that again, it's going to be left arrow, div, align equals quotation, center, quotation, right arrow, and below there will be left arrow slash div, right arrow. And this will center the video nicely on our homepage. If I zoom out, I can now see it displayed here. If you didn't catch that, go and pause the video and that will let you copy it down easily. Unfortunately, I'm not able to paste this in the YouTube description, so you will have to copy it off the video here. So next you hit save, and this will save your changes for adding a YouTube video to your Shopify homepage. So to add it to the product page, let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. We'll go to products. I'm going to go to this framed canvas product. You can see there's an existing description here. And the way you add this is by first selecting where you want it. Let's say I want it at the top here. I just want to go and hover over this insert video button in the product description section. I'm going to click on it. And what you can do is just go and copy and paste the same code you used for the Shopify homepage. I have that here already. Then all you want to do is click insert video, and that's going to automatically include that embedded video. So it is a little easier to do in the product description section. All you have to do is hit save to make those changes live. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. You can see how much money your store has actually made. It includes tons of different detailed analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions for your store. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below. From there, you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to add a YouTube video to your Shopify Refresh theme. We looked at two different ways to add it to the Shopify homepage, as well as Shopify product descriptions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.